Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Silicone Face Scrubber for Men. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars. Over 8,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon, and it's a #1 bestseller. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Silicone Face Scrubber for Men, a powerful yet gentle tool designed for the modern man. Engineered with soft, flexible silicone bristles, this scrubber deeply cleanses your skin, removing dirt, oil, and dead skin while preventing clogged pores and breakouts. Unlike traditional face cloths or harsh scrubs, the silicone material is ultra hygienic, quick drying, and bacteria resistant, making it perfect for daily use. Whether you're prepping your skin for a close shave or simply freshening up after a long day, this scrubber delivers a revitalizing cleanse that leaves your face feeling smooth, refreshed, and ready for anything. Compact and durable, it's easy to use at home or throw in your gym bag for on-the-go care. Take control of your skin and elevate your grooming game with the silicone face scrubber. Your face will thank you. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.